Reaching and maintaining a healthy weight is very important to keep the body healthy and for overall health, and also to prevent and control the various diseases. Hi, I'm dietitian Vidhi Chawla, founder of Physical Diet and Aesthetic Clinic. In today's video, I will be sharing tips that will help you maintaining a healthy weight. First, always lose weight with a lifestyle change and not the restrictive eating pattern. Because when you lost weight with a lifestyle change, you will be eating your favorite food and you will be knowing how to maintain the weight. Second, always include some activity in your life. Try to include 45-minute activity. That will make your metabolism stable, high, and you will be gaining the weight and will be able to maintain the healthy weight. Third, include good amount of salads in every meal. That will add up the fiber in your diet, and that fiber will help you in suppressing your appetite, and you won't be feeling much hungrier very faster, and you will be full for a longer time. Fourth, keep a check on your outside food, the junk food. Always keep the percentage like 80 by 20. 80 healthy and 20% outside food. So whenever you're eating out, mark your calendar with a red mark. That will just hit your mind and you can reduce your outings and you will be able to maintain your healthy weight. Fifth, take a good sound sleep of 7 to 9 hours. When we sleep less, the stress hormones are increased more, and that leads to the fat storage. Also, many research has proved that individuals who sleep less, like 5 hours or 6 hours, are more prone to obesity. So, take good quality sleep of 7 to 9 hours and keep your body at healthy weight. Sixth, keep a check on your protein intake. Try to include protein source in every meal. It can be egg, chicken, paneer, soya, dairy product, or lentil or legumes. Seventh, unwind yourself. Try to unwind yourself and reduce the stress levels in your body. Everyone has stress in their life, but it is important to de-stress yourself. The more the stress hormone release in your body, the more fat storage will be there. So unwind, try to take out the methods by which you can reduce the stress levels and be at the healthy weight. I hope these tips will help you in maintaining your healthy weight and you will stay healthy and make the diseases away from your body.